All right, in our first video in this entire playlist, we talked about various ways in which you can able to create an org with Agentforce license, right? So one is you can use a trialed and then create a create an org with Agentforce license, or you can use your partner learning camp access if you are a partner, and you can create you can create a SDO org and then have Agentforce enabled. So now there is a very latest announcement from Salesforce that happened in March 2025 that Salesforce has given a developer edition or opened up a developer edition with Data Cloud and Agentforce together. So you will find both the licenses available. So which helps you to create create agents, and not only create agents, you can also leverage the data cloud capabilities as well. So this comes really handy whenever you wanted to deal with unstructured data and few other core functionalities that are dependent on data cloud. Yeah, at a high level right? Again, it's a developer edition, so you can able to create this developer edition using. I'll give the link in the chat in the description. So this is the sign up form where you just provide the information, and you will be receiving an email with a link to set your password. Once you have set the password, you can just start using this org. Yeah, and this is how this org will look like. Yeah, and to ensure that you have data cloud license or you have data cloud enabled, so you when you go to this setup, right, you will see data cloud setup as an option available, which clearly indicates that you have data cloud admin permissions set included, and then you can able to configure data cloud. Okay, so we will talk more about this in the later videos, especially when we deal with unstructured data. Okay, so the point is Agentforce certainly helps you to build agents, to build prompt templates, etc. But there are some core functionalities of Agentforce that are dependent on data cloud, especially when you deal with unstructured data. Yeah. So when you deal with a PDF document or HTML or your knowledge articles, right? So where which you wanted to you wanted to power this AA agent that you build, or when you build a prompt template, you wanted to leverage unstructured data. Yeah, you need data cloud. So data cloud has got functionalities like a search index, which helps you to chunk the data and then have it stored in a vector database. Very simple configurations that we need to do, but I'm just saying that it is important to remember that data cloud is the one that is going to empower with all these capabilities. Not only that, whenever you wanted to stream data from third-party applications, okay, into and then wanted that data to be used back in your agents, right? So you can use data cloud. You can use data cloud and have this information streamed into data cloud, and through data cloud you can able to start using it in your agents. Okay, so not only that, when you wanted to take control on configuring Einstein trust layer, right? So like what needs to be masked, and how you wanted to how or what categories of data that you need to mask, like if you are following IPA standard, you can use Einstein trust layer to turn that functionality on, and Salesforce will automatically include those details in data masking. So from the Einstein Trust Layer configuration standpoint, you can do it once you have data cloud license. Plus, if you want to bring your own model, yeah, so you won't do it right with your org, but you need data cloud. So in the data cloud, you will have options to configure models. So that is something called Einstein Studio tab, and inside which you will find all the supported models, yeah, pre-configured models. But you can also create your own model using this Einstein Studio. So that these are some of the dependencies, yeah, dependencies that Agentforce needs to work with data cloud. Yeah, so now it's very easy. Previously it wasn't that easy, but now you have this option of using Agentforce and data cloud you know together. Okay, so as I said, all we need to do is we just need to fill this form and then have this created. Okay, so so start using this more, and so in the subsequent videos, right, we'll be using this developer edition and then build more use cases. Yeah, thank you.